so for this video I'm doing another makeup tutorial called Touch of Green because I wanna bring some color to casual makeup, and here it is. So if you wanna know how to get this look, keep on watching. Okay, starting from the eyes, I'm taking NYX eyeshadow base in the shade Skin Tone and just put it all over my eyelid to the brow bone to prime my eyes. Okay, then after that I just set it with the powder so it doesn't crease throughout the day. Okay, now for the palette that I wanna use is Androgyny palette by Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I'm taking this shade and just put it all over my crease as my transition color. Okay, then after that I'm taking this called Charm, which is like orange shimmer color, and just put it all over my eyelid as a lid color. Okay, then after that I'm taking this matte dark brown shade and just put it on the outer corner to darkening up the outer corner and just deepening up the look. Okay, then after that I'm taking my gel liner and put it as a wing liner like always, so yeah. Okay, then after that I'm taking the Body Shop ID Finder in the shade black and just put it on my tight line. Then after that I just curl my lashes. Then after that I put some mascara on my upper lashes. If you're wondering, I'm using Smashbox mascara and I don't really like it, so I don't really wanna show it. Okay, now moving on into the face, I'm taking my primer and just put it all over my face. Okay, then after that for the foundation, I'm taking Moisture Foundation by the Body Shop and just put it all over my face using Expert Face Brush by Real Technique to blend them out. Okay, then after that I'm taking my concealer and just highlighting / conceal my dark circle, and then I put it on the center of my nose, I put it on my forehead, and I put it on my chin and just blend it all out. Okay, then after that I set the concealer with the powder, and yeah. Okay, then after that I'm taking Wet n Wild color icon bronzer in the shade Ticket to Brazil and just bronzing up my face. I don't really contour with this, I just warming up my face. Okay, then after that for the blush, I'm taking Too Faced Papadon Peach Blush and just put it on the apple of my cheek and just blending it all out. Okay, then after that I'm taking Puff on Radiance highlighter and just put it on my cheek, I mean like the place that I wanna highlight. Okay, now back into the eyes, I'm taking this shade and just put it along the lower lash line. Okay, then after that I'm taking this green shade called Poison and just put it along the lower lash line. I put it a little bit more than I usually, so yeah. Okay, then after that I'm taking this green, another green shade, and just put it on that place, if you know what I mean, just blending it with the another green. Okay, then after that with the same ID Finder and just put it on my waterline. Okay, then after that with the same mascara and just put it on my lower lashes. Okay, then after that I'm taking this shade and just put it on my inner corner as a highlight. Okay, now moving on into the lips, I'm taking the Body Shop Velvet Stick in the shade Coral and just put it all over my lips. And that's it for this makeup tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like this, and don't forget to subscribe me. I make video 1 or 2 times a week. Bye guys, see you next video.